Hey, this is Brian Team Hutchins. One of the things people ask about is the self-service laundry on the Sunshine. Here's how you work it. Take a look. So here we got our dryer number 6. Go here. Go 6. Enter. And just insert your card the right way. Bill, and hit start. And that's it. That's what you got to do. That works for the washer or the dryer. Again, this is Brian Team Hutchins. I'm going to go back to sleep for another 45 minutes. It'll probably take you 2 dryer events to get it dried. So that's my first one, and I took a nap. I'm going back to sleep. This is Brian Team Hutchins. If you like everything you see, hit the like button, subscribe, and take a look at our cruise fun coming up. Have a good day.